If you're happy with the content that we've been putting out on YouTube, we have good news for you. We're going to be rolling out even more resources, more videos, and more training content to help you build your business in 2024. We are continuing with our Wednesday schedule come the new year, but we're publishing one bonus video each month. That's 5 new videos packed full of tips, how-tos, and podcasts each and every month. For those of you who want even more content, we're rolling out a membership on our channel. For the price of just $5 each month, you'll get a live video session with either me or Greg, where we will discuss a topic related to the industry and answer your questions in real time. The live sessions will then be available to our membership subscribers to watch on their own time as many times as you please. To show you just how valuable these live sessions are, the first live will be made available to everyone. Paying for the $5 membership will also get you behind the scenes content like tours of our office, our warehouse, company vans, day in the life videos, you name it. This is all content that won't be available to everyone, just our membership subscribers. We're excited to launch all the new content we have planned for you in the new year. Thank you for subscribing to our channel and supporting our growth. If you aren't subscribed, what are you doing? We're offering real expert advice backed by years of experience in this business. Join the community. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch up with you next time.